Here's where you start saving serious money. In the Ohme app, tap New Charge to create a charging schedule. You will have two main options. Option 1, instant charge. This charges your car right now at full speed until the battery is full or you unplug it. Use this when you need to get on the road immediately. Option 2, scheduled charge. And this is the smart way to charge. You set two things, the battery level you want and the ready by time. Let me show you an example. Say you want your car to be 80% charged by 7 AM tomorrow morning. You tap ready by, set the time to 7 AM, set your target to 80% and hit create. Now here's the clever bit. Ohme doesn't necessarily charge your car right away. Instead, it looks at your electricity rates and charges during the cheapest windows overnight. So you might pay half the price compared to charging immediately. If you want to go even further, there's a price cap setting. Say you only want Ohme to charge when the electricity costs less than 15p per kilowatt hour. You set the limit and Ohme respects it. If rates don't drop below that, the car won't charge. It's complete control in your hands. You can also create recurring routines like charging every weekday at the same time and level for your commute, or weekends at a higher level for weekend trips. Set it once and let Ohme handle it automatically.